So what we are going to learn is criterions for similarity. Like congruence, we have similarity condition. We have some similarity condition which are AA criterion, SAS criterion and SSS criterion. Only three criterions are there. First one is either you can say AAA or AA criterion. Next one is SSS criterion. Next one is SAS criterion. The first one is AAA or AA criterion. If in two triangles the corresponding angles are equal, if corresponding angles are equal, clearly the sides will be in proportion. So if the corresponding angles are equal, both the triangles are similar. That means consider a triangle ABC and PQR. If angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, clearly angle C is also equal to angle R using angle sum property. So no need to prove the third one, we need only two. If two corresponding angles are equal, we can say both the triangles are similar and we can write like this: triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR using AA criterion. So we have already learned the equiangular triangles, in which we have seen that the triangles, both the triangles, the sides are in proportion. That is what we are using here. If we prove both the triangles are similar using AA criterion, no need to prove sides are in proportion. So using AA criterion, we can prove that both the triangles are similar. So when you get a question, first what you have to check is whether it is possible to apply AA criterion. If it is not, then only you have to go for the next. Second one is SSS criterion. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to sides of other triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal, hence the two triangles are similar. That means consider a triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If the sides are in proportion, means AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. What we are proving here is all the three sides are in proportion. If it is in proportion, what we can say is both the triangles are similar using SSS criterion. Next one is SAS criterion. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. That means consider a triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P. Then we need one more condition, that is AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. That means both the angles should be included angles. So angle A is equal to angle P and AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Then we can say these two triangles are similar using SAS criterion. So we have learned three criterions to check the similarity. First is AA criterion, second one SSS criterion, and the third one is SAS criterion. So when you get a question to check, first you have to check AA criterion. Then after that you can go for the next two. So example 4, if PQ is parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So we have to write what is given. Given us PQ parallel to RS. First we are going to check us whether it is possible to apply AA criterion. See, both these lines are parallel. Lines are parallel means corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. These two are possible. These three are possible. So here these two are parallel means what about these two angles? Alternate interior angles, and these two are also alternate interior angles. So these two are equal. So what we can say is to prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. See here what we can write is angle P is equal to angle S and Q is equal to angle R using alternate interior angles are equal. So this is sufficient for proving. So, but we have to take the corresponding parts. When you name the triangles, you should take the corresponding parts. So triangle POQ I have taken is similar to triangle. Corresponding part of P is S. Triangle S, O is same as O, and Q and R are corresponding. So triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR using AA criterion. Next, example 5. Two triangles are given, then the length of the sides and some angles are also given. What you have to find is angle P. So it is clear that we have to prove both the triangles are similar. If it is similar, we can find the corresponding angles. We can say the corresponding angles are equal. So here sides are given. So shall we check for SSS? So AB by 3.8 and 7.6 double. So AB by RQ is equal to 3.8 by 7.6, which is equal to 1 by 2. And BC by PQ. BC by PQ is equal to 6 by 12, it is also equal to 1 by 2. And AC by RP is equal to 3 root 3 by 6 root 3, which is equal to 1 by 2. So what we got is all the sides are in proportion. That means AB by RQ is equal to BC by PQ is equal to AC by RP. This means that both the triangles are similar using SSS criterion. So triangle, I am taking a triangle ABC first, is similar to corresponding to A. It is R. Triangle RQP. So using SSS criterion. So what you have to find is angle P. So corresponding angles are equal. So what we can say is angle A is equal to angle R is equal to 80 degree. And angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 60 degree. And angle C is equal to angle P is equal to 180 minus 80 plus 60 using angle sum property, which is equal to 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40 degree. This is the value of angle P. So example 6. OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. What is given is OA into OB is equal to OC into OD. It is OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. So OA is the side of first triangle, OC is the second triangle, then OD is the first triangle, OB is the second triangle. And we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. To prove angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. This is the first equation. Then these two angles are equal using vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD is equal to angle COB using vertically opposite angle. Using 1 and 2 we can say both these triangles are similar using SAS criterion. Triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB using SAS criterion. Sides are proportional and included angle is equal. So, if these two are similar, we can say all the angles are equal. All the corresponding angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. What you can write as corresponding angles of similar triangles.